Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your creator mode settings for LinkedIn monetization, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Once on your profile page, look for the creator mode option. If it's turned on, you'll see an indicator showing it's active. If creator mode is not activated, click the Add section button. From the drop-down menu, select Recommended. Then, find and click on Creator Mode. Follow the prompts to enable Creator Mode. After enabling, scroll down to check your settings. Make sure you have selected the appropriate topics you want to showcase. These topics help define your content focus. Next, ensure your audience is aware of your creator status. You can do this by adjusting your profile summary. Provide a brief description of your content and what you offer. Now, review your follower settings. You'll want to check if your content is reaching the right audience. To monetize successfully, having a targeted audience is essential. Next, verify your connection settings. Ensure you are connected to relevant industry professionals. This will enhance your visibility and engagement. Now, check your content engagement metrics. Look at the analytics provided by LinkedIn for insights. Analyze which posts perform well and attract more views. Finally, stay updated on LinkedIn's monetization policies. This ensures you adhere to their guidelines as you create content. Regularly revisit your settings to make necessary adjustments. This will help optimize your profile for creator mode effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.